Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is an excellent choice for boiler service in Los Gatos, CA, 95060. Our skilled team of technicians is highly experienced in handling a wide range of boiler-related needs, including maintenance, repairs, installations, and replacements. Are you looking for boiler service near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is boiler service? Boiler servicing is a comprehensive process that ensures the proper operation, safety, and efficiency of your boiler and heating system. Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides skilled boiler services in Los Gatos, CA, 95060 that are specifically suited to the needs of local residents and businesses. What is the purpose of boiler service? The goal of boiler servicing is to ensure that your heating system runs efficiently, safely, and consistently, particularly during the colder months. Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment offers comprehensive boiler services in Los Gatos, CA, 95060, to meet the specific needs of households. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/